Jiggy Jabbajo, a vitamin idol in primal rages when Bible page verse tidal wave begun.
Water one.
I wrote the book that shook America to splinters in a winter wasteland icicle-bound barren township.
War Baron Munchausen's proud gimps to clinch this chemical war pig.
Delinquent sinking like a paper tugboat well beneath your holidays. Beached on a red tide-infested shore, corroding eastern seaboard beauty.
I'm a jigsaw slab.
But all the pig saw was dirtbag.
It's like a bleeding comet bombing on your
To the
sequels.
Riverside Park tunnel, people claim last life form standing. Carbon-based pardons ain't enough. My stills truly personify this urbanite flea circus we urchins murking on daily. I catapult brain opera past base. Tear my own face off in the finale. Stick around, it's ill. Diabolical prodigal son, spill grimace. If you had one more eye, you'd be a cyclops, which explains missing the premise. Bliss mimic, baptize, chastise, laugh, die, kiss the finish. Piss the villagers the fuck off. Need a pipe of pick peppers and run rock rhymes. Ace Rock might have smoked one too many dimes in his time. Now where you gonna be when the sun falls, brother? Probably gathering your sheep with all these other motherfuckers. Struck twice in the same place by a moody Zeus fist slider. Smack the third clear out the park, going gone. To infinity and beyond. I like a Chewbacca, lookalikes and magic makers. Hermit crabs in New York City sewer alligators. Keep your honeyly dream out your homily. I deal with tangible goods and avoid manufacturing food for landfills. I see friends bow to needles. I see needles bow to records. I see vows break. I see God bow and make the clouds shake. I seen the proud break. I seen a lot for a blind soldier who tattooed a cityscape on skin to blend in. Rats travel by night and fight the water bugs. I'm here to pull a three-prong when it's prime. Direct the wormhole of self-sacrifice. I had a hatchet slice for kids, so they got over Frankenstein scarring his style. Someday be a story of my kids. Life's hard. Life's easy. Life's everything in between. Life's peachy like James and a giant. And I keep spitting as long as these kittens buy it. And I keep casting my line as long as these officials light it. And I like it. Don't try it like that.
Wild is love. That's the way it goes, huh? Maybe I should just give up. Or just stop trying. But life is so uncertain. So short. I've got to keep on searching. And wherever it takes me, I've got to go.
Ran away, temper tantrum, decrepit anthem, set a low goal. I arrived late. I'm here to scrape a car clean to the funk machine and poses on the underling amalgam cluster and identifies the mother. Got hard, I hate to tell you, but it skips more than it palpitates. Like these here little drunken archers miss more than they calculate. The falcon hates the mockingbird, the farmer hates the drought. I hate them all. I kick the bottom brick out, shouting yes to y'all and blow the village out perspective.
Aesop.
Do you take this makeshift Candyland cult classic bastard style to be a lawfully wetted head trip to embrace throughout sickness, health, electrical storm, fire, pain, rain, hail, wind, ice, sleet, snow? No. I'm balanced, personified, phantom to the bone, walking like a Jabberwocky, scalp with a pair of one-way tickets to shadow boxing. Just like Christmas with a shallow stocking like
I'm
this.
just
Trying to milk the mileage. Drop science like Don Herbert with liquor in 'em. Sounding off like senior citizens sitting at bingo parlor bickering. Yeah, it's kinda funny, isn't it? How I could build when you could just sit there bitch about your syllabus. Walked by the lights, bewildered by the fan base. Outside an idea, skeptical of the handshake. Walked by the lights, bewildered by the fan base. Outside an idea, skeptical of the handshake. Walked by the lights, bewildered by the fan base. Outside an idea, skeptical of the handshake. Walked by the lights, bewildered by the fan base. Outside an idea, skeptical of the handshake. Skeptical of the handshake. Stay skeptical of the handshake. Ran away, temper tantrum, decrepit anthem, set a low goal. I arrived late. I'm here to scrape a car clean to the funk machine and poses on the underling amalgam cluster and identifies the mother. Got hard, I hate to tell you, but it skips more than it palpitates like these here little.
Head first in the concrete. Nothing. Not a thing. Word.